5 tips and tricks to play and win at Fortnite Battle Royale. Your information to a successful technique. Fortnite Battle Royale is a free-to-play sport that pits 100 gamers towards one another in an over-the-top, cartoony combat to the end. It is accessible for PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, PC, Android, and iOS, and you'll obtain and play it free of charge on all of these platforms. In contrast to different video games within the Battle Royale style, Fortnite contains each capturing and constructing parts. If you wish to survive to the tip, and obtain victory royale, you should excellent each of those techniques. Take benefit of playground mode. When Fortnite's Battle Royale mode launched, the one approach to study was to leap proper right into a match. You had a quick second to check your controls, and then you definitely had been whisked away to the battle bus. The playground mode makes use of the identical map as Battle Royale, however without the pressures of the encroaching storm and different gamers attempting to shoot you. Choose the playground mode, set it to not fill the empty slots, and you may get yourself some a lot wanted apply. Playground mode lets you discover and construct at your leisure, so you may get to know the island, find out how all of the weapons work, and apply defensive and offensive constructing strategies in a low-strain surroundings. If you choose the fill possibility, the sport will match you with 3 strangers who will in all probability attempt to shoot you and destroy your buildings. Decide your touchdown zone properly. While you're nonetheless getting used to the sport, you may have a better time getting began in case you land away from different gamers. The most secure guess is often to attend towards the tip of the battle bus route, after which go for an unnamed location. Named areas are inclined to have higher loot, which suggests extra gamers, and extra possibilities to get shot earlier than you get the hold of issues. When you're extra assured in your abilities, you possibly can go for extra densely populated areas to rack up some early kills and replenish on larger high-quality loot. Use sensible glider deployment to land sooner. While you dip out of the battle bus, you are free to deploy your glider every time you need. The glider is beneficial in serving to you attain a selected location you have recognized as a superb touchdown zone, however it additionally slows your descent. Your glider additionally deploys routinely when you attain a sure elevation. To benefit from this mechanic, you should go for low floor and forestall your glider from deploying till the final attainable second. By getting on the bottom sooner, you may stand a greater likelihood of discovering some gear earlier than certainly one of your opponents can get the drop on you. Discover a gun ASAP. You may technically win a sport of Fortnite Battle Royale without ever firing a single shot, however do not rely on it. As soon as your boots are on the bottom, you should get your palms on a gun, any gun, as quickly as attainable. In the event you can determine a gun in your manner down, and ensure no person else is heading for a similar one, all the higher. Do not neglect your pickaxe. The pickaxe is not as flashy or thrilling as a sniper rifle or rocket launcher, however you have got it for a cause. You may destroy nearly everything in Fortnite, and doing so offers you the supplies that you will must construct partitions, ramps, and different constructions. Use your pickaxe on everything you possibly can, however be certain to keep watch over your environment. You need to have as a lot wooden, metallic and brick available as you possibly can, however demolishing stuff makes a variety of noise that different gamers are positive to listen to. After you hit one thing together with your pickaxe, a focusing on circle will seem on the article. Intention for these circles, and it'll take fewer swings to interrupt stuff. This lets you spend much less time gathering your supplies, and offers your opponents much less alternative to pinpoint your location. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.